Today, I am thrilled to bring you a highly anticipated motorcycle review. Watch until the end. In this review, we'll be diving deep into the exhilarating world of the Moto Guzzi V1 O Mandello S, the stunning 2023 model. Design and styling. Retro-inspired design that pays homage to Moto Guzzi's rich heritage. Chassis and suspension. Motorcycle is built on a robust twin-spar steel frame. The braking duties are handled by Brembo components, ensuring reliable stopping power. Technology and electronics includes a full-color TFT instrument cluster that displays essential information such as speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and more.